Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to install and use plugins in WordPress. First of all, let's quickly talk about what is plugins. Plugins are like small apps or tools that you add to your WordPress website to add extra features. For example, you can use a plugin to add a contact form, improve your SEO, speed up your site, or even create a full online store. So alright, let's now install a plugin together. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to plugins and then click on add new. Now here you will see a big list of free plugins you can install. There is also a search bar on the top right where you can type the name of any plugin. Let's try an example. Type contact form 7 in the search box. It's a popular plugin for adding a contact form. Once it shows up, just click on the install now button. Then after it installs, click activate. That's it, the plugin is now active on your website. Each plugin works a little differently, but most of them will either. So after activating the plugin, look around your dashboard to see where it appears. For example, after installing Contact Form 7, you will see a new menu called Contact. From there, you can create and customize your contact form easily. Only install the plugins you really need. Too many plugins can slow down your website or cause issues, and always keep your plugins updated for better performance and security. I hope this was helpful.